Test your credit knowledge. What does it mean to default on a loan or credit card? B. Failing to make payments as agreed. What is the purpose of a credit freeze? A. To prevent identity theft. Which federal agency enforces consumer protection laws related to credit reporting? B. Consumer Financial Protection Bureau. How many did you get right? Let us know in the comments below. Like and subscribe for more. Visit www.creditmoneymachine.com for a zero-knowledge professional results 15-second processing software. Schedule your private session at www.lmrcalendar.com today.